this video, I am out with a farm near Versailles, Ohio that is planting no-till soybeans into a field that was corn last year, and they're running their Case International 580 quad track tractor, pulling a Sunflower Model 9435 3-section folding grain drill. The grain drill is on 7.5-inch row spacings, which there was a time when a lot of farms used to plant soybeans on that row spacing. A lot of them have since went to 15-inch rows. Now this farm does run another planter for soybean planting. They originally bought this drill for planting cover crops, but they do drill a few beans every year using it. The field conditions were just borderline as he is out here doing this, and a storm was brewing and on its way, and actually just as soon as he finished this field is when it got dumped on. And of course, you do not need a 580 horsepower Case International quad track tractor to pull a 40-foot grain drill, but they used the tractor that's available at the time. Sunflower offers the Model 9435 in two different sizes, the 40-foot you see here, and they also offer this 3-section drill in a 30-foot model. You can get these with either 7.5 or 10-inch spacing. And if you notice those smaller boxes on the back side there, this drill is also set up for smaller seeds such as grasses. In this video, I have all the angles from the sky, got some on-the-ground footage, also had a camera mounted on the back of the drill, and a little wind noise. horses are digging the action, and I told you it was windy out here. That's going to wrap up this video. Feel free to go down there, hit that like button, and leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would certainly appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button and check back often. I'm always filming, editing, uploading new content to my YouTube channel. And I want to thank everybody as my channel just crossed over the 200,000 subscriber mark. Couldn't have done it without you guys watching here. Also, you can follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.